welcome back to another ceo.ca interview. Now, White Gold is exploring exclusively in the White Gold district of northwestern Yukon in Canada. They've got a large land package there. Actually, it's the largest in the district. It represents about 40%. And this morning on August 21st, the day that we're recording this conversation, CEO David Donofrio is here to tell us a lot more about the updated mineral resource. David, can you just walk us through the guts of the release and also how the market has responded?
Yeah, it's a big day for White Gold. Great to be here. We've been involved with this company since day one, and we've now grown our global resources to 3 million ounces, all in an open pit in a tier 1 jurisdiction in Canada. This is a phenomenal accomplishment. Kudos to our team, and a very exciting time to be bringing a project like this to market.
Mm-hmm. Well, what's going to be next for your exploration program from here on out with the update?
So this release today was based on our historic work programs. What's been so phenomenal is, we're at a point now where we really see what's led to the success that's delineated this resources and several other more grassroots discovery we have on our portfolio. So we're going to be sort of doing two things. More of the same on the guts of our project here. We think it has tremendous upside. So we have an exploration program that's ongoing right now today with drills turning. We expect to be able to continue to expand this. And then we have other regional projects which we're going to bring to the drill ready stage. One thing I'll say that's so special about our deposit is the grade. It is one of the highest grade, largest open pit deposits in Canada owned by a junior. To sort of have something like that, which we think is going to grow significantly, is amazing. And for as good as this project is, and we've always thought it's been, our eyes have been opened even wider recently. We've just hired a new VP of Exploration, Dylan Langille from Kinross Exploration. He was part of the Great Bear discovery team. And so for our program this year, what we've actually are doing, as opposed to in the last couple of years, we've been sort of looking for new discoveries in a close proximity that will also increase the size of our resources. His view after analyzing this project for several months is, guys, that's a great approach, but you have so much low-hanging fruit, like right within your pit and immediately surrounding the area. We can bulk this up quickly and efficiently, and that's what we're doing now. And I think the market's really responded well to that.
Well, you mentioned Dylan Langille. He was a core team member of the Great Bear project. Some of our viewers may understand what that project is and its significance, but others may not. Walk us through why his addition to your team and his experience there matters.
Yeah, no, for that's a great point. Sorry, I should have brought that up. Dylan was on that team basically from the very beginning. It's one of Canada's most prolific new discovery stories. He, along with their team, has grown it from exploration grassroots to an 8 million ounce deposit, which was acquired by Kinross for $1.8 billion. And, he, with that type of success under his belt, could have went to any company in Canada or around the world, frankly, for that matter. We were really honored for him to have chosen to come to White Gold. But I think that speaks volumes for the type of opportunity that, but for a project of this size and this tenor with the type of grade profile we have, we are very eagerly wanting to put this through the economic analysis. We think that's really where it's going to continue to differentiate ourselves compared to the peer group. Because the grade is so high, because it comes right to surface, its access is actually very good. We think it's going to have an exceptional NPV and an exceptional IRR. Compared to its peer groups.
Mm-hmm. Well, lastly, I don't know much about where White Gold is financially, but what kind of runway do you have to continue exploring and
we're fully funded. We've been very fortunate to have great partners in the Power One Group, who co-founded this with Sean Ryan. Agnico Eagle, the largest gold mining company in the world, is a 19.9% partner of White Gold, and been an investor from the very beginning. I think that also speaks volumes to the type of opportunity. We're very fortunate to have them, and there's a reason, I think, why they're so heavily invested in this part of Canada. So we're fully funded for this year. We're going to look forward to continue to do our work. We have several very exciting catalysts ahead of us here. We have our drill exploration results. We have exploration across the broader part of our portfolio. We've had several other very exciting discoveries. This company really is a super junior. It is, like you mentioned at the beginning, it's an enormous land package. We believe that we are at the very early days of the delineation of Canada's next great gold camp. Our neighbor, the Coffee deposit, which is also discovered by our technical team, has been just permitted and moving towards production. We see several other, tremendous success stories in the Yukon now with Snowline and Sika and other companies. So a lot of attention has come. We're delivering with the drill bit. We're going to be moving our project forward through economics. And another sort of little bonus that our shareholders can look forward to, we have discovered several very interesting critical mineral opportunities, to help keep the story focused. We're in the process of isolating those and spitting them out. That's another big catalyst that people can look forward to in the next couple of years. And shareholders of White Gold will be receiving shares in this new company. And some of these targets are just phenomenally exciting. Right down by Western Copper and Gold, they have a huge copper gold porphyry. It's one of the largest in Canada. These signatures are as big or bigger with a lot of similarity. So if these porphyries happen in clusters, it's a great place to be. And as time passes, it really seems more and more probable that we will be able to realize our dream of when we started this company is to own the majority of a real estate in a brand new camp. And what our sort of analysis was this is like going back in time and being able to own 700,000 acres in Timmins or Val-d'Or or the Nevada goldfields 75 years ago. And, what would that be worth today?
With modern techniques.
Exciting. With modern techniques. This area has not been explored until Sean Ryan went up there, and he's been phenomenally successful. And we're the benefactor to have him as our chief technical officer and our partner. And I think we're really we are literally just scratching the surface. And with what we've done in these novel exploration techniques, I think we've cracked the code, and the discovery rate is going to continue to accelerate from here.
Okay, well, we're going to have to leave it there, David, but congrats on the resource increase, and we'll keep watching WGO.
Perfect. Thanks. Stay tuned. There's a lot of exciting material to come ahead.
Great.